Friends, so in this video we are discussing next another important subtopic in culture. So that one here they given importance of culture. So why we want to study a culture? Why this one is need, or what was the information we are getting in a culture? And next one we want to know relationship between culture and society and rituals. So we are adapted our rituals or behaviors. So these are the matters we want to discuss in this video. So first of all, we want to know about the importance of culture. So before that, in last class, we already discussed about what is meant by culture and what was the knowledge we are getting and in what are the types of culture are there in our society. So these are the matters and features of the culture. So this also we are discussed in last class. So here they say, and culture, this is one of the important thing to social beings, especially human beings. Because of both also same, who are social beings, they are human beings. So here they say, therefore must and should need, that is culture. So without culture, they could not live in a societies. So that's why we can see some of the importance of culture. So first one here they given, culture is treasure of knowledge. In culture, we are getting so much of knowledge. This is physical. So if you want to live in our society, physically or socially, we want to live, we want to coexistence with others, we want to learn a culture or we want to know knowledge about the culture. For example, we can say this is a knowledge, culture is treasure of knowledge. So that like they say, how we can say, for example, we can say animals, how they living, how they collecting the food. If we are comparing animals and human beings, there are so much of difference. Because of human beings, they are using language. And we can see they already learned how we want to survive in our society. So how they got these are the knowledge or language? Because of the culture. That only are they given. Culture is a treasure of knowledge. We are getting so much of information. How to live, how we want to collect the food. And not only this one, how we can use language to live in this present situation. So in that matters for culture, this is one of the important part. And not only this one here, they say this culture we can show or we can see the past events also. How people they are live. So how they used to they're sharing their feelings. We can see they used for proverbs or paintings, and we can see that like only folk songs, or we can see some of the books also. So this only giving information how people they lived or how they have the knowledge in ancient times. And present peoples they also get some of the instructions. So how we want to live together that particular culture. And how we can change some of the changes in that particular culture. So this like of information we are getting in a culture. So that's why they given culture is a treasure of knowledge. How to live, or how we are different to animal beings. So these are the matters we are learning in a culture. So that's why this one is very important. And second one here they given, culture explains situation. This culture, why this one is important here, they say this culture always they explaining, the understanding the particular situation. So what was the situations going on in our society, how we are understanding based on culture. For example, we can see in ancient times how people or human beings they are living, and contemporary society how people they are living. So we have learned so based on culture. Because of ancient times, who are the people they live, they given some of the contribution. We can see in caves or we can see architectures or temples. Example here they given Haivole Badami of Bagalkote districts. So these are the structures, so these are the architecture or caves that were showing how human beings are lived in ancient time or how they adapted their culture. And we can analyze and we can implement same culture as well as. So in that purpose, culture always explaining the situation. So when we are seeing that one structure, the drawing, any art if we are seeing, so we are getting some of the knowledge. Here that only they are saying that one explain that one situation. Why people that like of drawing they did in that particular case or that particular architectures. because of if any incident did on that time. So that's why they mention in that particular as a drawing. So that like we are getting knowledge. And next one here is saying culture defines values. We can say culture is one of the important part. We can analyze our values, behavior and attitude and thoughts. So how that one is equal to our society. So we are thinking based on culture. So we got so much of knowledge in the culture. So that's only we are implementing and we are adapted our behaviors, attitude or thoughts. And we are implementing in our society. And not only this one here they saying, and we are adapted values also, that is equality. We all are one. So how this one concept came? Based on culture. We have learned this one because of this only culture in ancient time peoples what they practiced. So that only now also still they given contribute to next generation. So they peoples they learn same culture and they participate. They implementing in that particular daily life. So here they are saying, so that's why culture, this one always defines the values. So what is meant by values? How we can implement in our society. So which one is good? And how value based life we can move in our society. So these are the matters we are learning in a culture. So that only they are saying the values that we can say that values is creating as a thoughts. So in that thoughts after we can say as a process. So after that process we can say as a attitudes. So in that based we can build as a culture. So now we understood that means culture is developing our values, our attitude, behaviors and how we want to live in our society. So these are the matters we are learning in a culture. And next one here is saying culture explains behavior of models. We can see in human society, we can see this one achieving, if they did any achievement, that achievement based on culture. If any one person, if they did any achievement, so how we done that one achievement based on that particular culture, that one is showing. For example, we can see so many people, there are so much of achievements we can see in our surrounding areas. So how they did these like of achievements means based on the aim of culture. That only fulfilling the aim of human society. So that was like they saying, and not only this one they say here, if that one showing the explaining the behavior of models. So how they explaining? So they saying society they are observing. So in that culture that is a bad, so that is not negative. They give importance about negative part of the society. So society they can give punishment. If that culture are good, the behavior are good, the society they can give encouragement. So these like culture here is saying, so these like we can see societies or culture they explaining as they giving knowledge about to people how we want to develop our attitude in our society. Means how we want to live in our society. So these like of education we are getting in a culture. And not only this one here they saying, and this like of corrections where we can see this like of correction by a teachers. Not only teachers, elders also sometimes they giving correction to who are the members of society. So these like culture always they explaining, they giving guidelines about our behavior models. So that they say. So these are the importance of culture. Why we want to study culture? Why this one is need means we are learning so much of things. We are getting knowledge how to live or how to correcting food or language, and we are getting the situation how we can face that one particular situations. So these also we are getting knowledge in a culture. And values. We are adapted so much of values. So we are adapted these like of attitude or behavior, good or bad. So how we are adapted based on culture. And not only this one, last one they say, and this one correcting our behaviors. If you are doing correct, they are giving encourage. If you are doing not correct, they are giving some of the punishment. Or they are showing the mistakes of that particular person. So these like culture is one of the important things. If you want to live in a society, we want to adapt a culture. And next one point here they are saying relationship between culture and society. So what was the relationship we can see between culture and society? Are both also equal? So that only now we want to know. But culture and society both also different, not the same. So here first one they given on that base, the relationship between culture and society is mutual. So if you are seeing the culture and the society, when you are discussing about the relationship, that relationship going on of mutual beliefs. Society believing culture, culture believing society. So without anyone, we cannot live in a society or in our world. So without society, we can live. Without culture, we cannot live. So that like they say, culture and society both also is a mutual. So how we can see, so here they say, so when culture is based on evolution of human beings. So when this one culture is started, when human beings they came in our world, so on that base we can see culture, human culture also they started. And not only this one here they say, and this is the part of human society, beginning of civilization. Culture, this is part of human society. So we can see this one culture is a part of human society because of we are now a civilized peoples. All are we are saying we are civilized people. So we have become civilized peoples because of culture. And culture here is saying is an indivisible part of the society. We cannot divide it with a society. This is included the society. We cannot take that one out of the society. Culture, this is including part of the society. That only is saying. And we are discussing here humans interacting with based on the culture in society, in any matters, any discussions going on. So how we are doing based on our culture, we are interacting to others, that only showing. So when you are talking, that only showing our culture, if we are giving respect to elders or not, or our parents. So how we are interacting with for them based on culture, we are learning in culture how we want to talk. And not only this one here is saying, and without interaction here is saying no society can be existence. So no need, without alone I am living in our world or in our place or in our society, cannot, because of we all are human beings. Without help of other we cannot live. So in that purpose for also we want to should keep a culture. And next one here they saying, so that's why without culture there is no society, without society there is no culture. So that like they saying means culture is must and should need of our part of daily life. So without culture we cannot live. If we want to talk with others, we need culture. We want to show our attitude, or we want to show our behaviors, or we want to show our talent, we need culture. So without culture, how we can show? So that's why here is saying without culture could not see a society, because of we all become as animals. If we not there the culture, we all become as animals. So that's why here is saying without culture we cannot see, or there is no society, or without society we cannot see the culture. So if it's not there the society of human beings, how we can see the culture? How we are getting the information, or how we are getting the evidence about the culture? So that's why both also we need culture and society. Without anyone we cannot live. Our human beings cannot progress in our society. So that way they say. And next one, second one here they saying culture and society are two faces of the same coins. This is a two face of the same coin. So that only we are discussed. Both also could not be divided. Because of both also same. We are learning so much of things in two parts also. Society also we are learning so much of things. Culture also they are deciding our values or our behaviors. So in that base here they are saying culture and society both also two faces of the same coin. So how we can say this one? So here they say culture, this one makes human beings as different from the animals. So we are saying this one both also two faces of same kind, because of this both also they giving one of the important structure to human beings. This only human beings. Human beings means this only their attitude, this only their behaviors. So they are giving structure. So in that in culture, what they do in culture? Culture here they are saying this one different from animals. Culture is here they are saying culture makes human beings different from animal beings. And next one point here, they're saying social controls is done by society based on cultural aspect. So both are the same work they're doing. Culture, they're giving one of the shape for human beings. We want to adapt our attitude, our behaviors, so these like. And society, they're controlling they're controlling by human beings. How we want to live, how we want to together coexistence we can live in our society. Means that one social control done by society. So that like both also we need. And next one here they're saying social controls means here they're saying human behavior. So behavior. So in which situation, how we want to show our attitude, our behavior, how they controlling by society. Society that one controlling. For example, a father, mother, they scold. So what we are doing? We are showing angry face. We are saying anything to parents. But in outside, if anybody that like they said, or if they said any other elders, if they said others, family of others outside of the society, we are doing that like, no. We are agreeing that one. So yeah, that only they are saying, society, they controlling to human beings and human behavior also. What we are attitude we are showing in home, so that like of attitude we cannot show in our society or outside of us. We cannot show. Because of we are knowing what is meant by society, what was the behavior we want to show in that particular group or in that particular area. So on that base we are living. So on that base here they are saying, so culture, this one make animals, human beings are different from animals, and society they make or they controlling human behaviors. And not only this one, each institutions also they regulating behaviors of human beings and how we want to progress our culture. So this also we are getting knowledge in each institutions. We can see there are different types of institutions in our society. We can see school, mass media, we can see peer groups, our relatives, or we can see family. So these like we can see different types of institutions. Each institution also they are giving so much of contribution to prepare or give one of the new structure to human beings. Human beings means this like only. They want to do this only work. They want to speak. They want to always they want to think. So without think they should not do any work. And they have idea. They can speak. So all these like of ideas are what was the situation. If any situations is came, so how we can face that one situation. So we are learning based on institution. Each institutions also they have some of the duties. They are doing their duties on that based human beings. They are developed their culture and their individual thoughts also. For example, if we have our own aim or our own goal, so we are decided based on institutions. We can see there are so much of institutions. They give an idea. So on that based we are fixed by our aim. So on that based only we are studying or we are getting the marks. So that's why here they saying society and culture both also two faces of same coin, because of both also need. Without anyone we cannot live. Because of culture they preparing human beings as a means that one showing human beings are very different. They are not like animals. But society they giving structure of human behaviors. So both also need. Without anyone we cannot live. So that's why they're saying, and we can see in these institutions they're deciding the behaviors. We can see in family who are the elders, they giving some of the guidelines or directions. Sometimes if you did any mistakes, they giving some of the suggestions also. So these like we can see society and culture both also very need in our society. Without anyone we cannot live. And after that now we want to know understood the relationship between society and culture. Both also not a different, both also same. So that like they're saying. And next one we want to know importance and significance of cultural rituals and diversity. So why this one is very important, cultural rituals or practice, what we are doing practice, so that only religious practice and diversity. We can see there are different types of culture in our society. So why this one is important? So that only we want to know now one by one. So when we are discussing about Indian culture, we can see the diversity of Indian culture, society as well as culture, both also. If you are taking Kashmir to till Kanyakumari, we cannot see same culture, same traditions, same practice. Sorry, we can see there are different types of culture, different types of language, different types of life practice. We can see now overall all India, but that is very difficult. So we can discuss about diversity. We can find out in each culture. So if we are discussing each one region's cultures, so that is very difficult. We can say here they given one of the best example, or we can say cultures are very significant, and next one is importance because of this very diversity. So why they called these like? Because of one of the best example they given, that is fairs. Each village also they are celebrating per year, annual year they are celebrating as a fairs. This is one of the best examples. So why they given best example? How we can find out cultural diversity, rituals. So how we can find out here diversity, a difference. So that only here they given because of this is not only this phase is not only for a religious matters or religious ceremony. This is the group of peoples together. There is no caste, there is no religion, there is no skin color. So on that base they are celebrating their village festivals. And these like of festivals, one of the best example to show the cultural diversity or rituals diversity in our Indian society. This only one example enough. We can show or we can say cultural diversity or importance. Because of this much of cultural diversity we can see in a single phase, a single village festival, but they are together, they are celebrating the festivals. So that one here they are saying, and here they are saying in that phase functions we can see neighbors who are their neighbors village peoples, they also coming and they are keeping as a market. They are selling their things also, and temporary market also they are building. And not only this one, if the agriculture peoples are there, if they produce any things, they are selling in that particular place, in that where they are celebrating that one village festivals. So in that place only they are selling their things also. And not only this one, we can see some of them they are selling or buying animals also, domestic animals also. These like a functions also we can see in fairs in. And not only this one, next one, and entertainment we can find out in that particular village festival. Commonly these like of festivals village people they are celebrating in harvest time, when they growing the crops, when they got the crops, so on the time only they are celebrating these like of festivals. And already I told these like of village festivals we cannot identify any one culture or any one society peoples or any one religion peoples they are participating. No. If any village, if you take as examples, we can see that together there is no caste, creed and language. Without these are the matters, together all the peoples together they are celebrating or they are involving in that particular village festivals. And next one here is saying, here we can see there are different language peoples we can see in that particular single festivals, a single village festivals. And not only this one, this phase they showing the culture of each individuality. We can see any one caste we could not see in that particular festivals, or any one language peoples. No, we can see artists also we can see, and we can see who are there involved in their particular culture. We can see not only this one, we can see circus man. They are also not the same caste. Who are they celebrating that one phase, or they who are celebrating the village festivals? So they are not the same caste. So we can see circus men also we can see. They are different culture. They are showing their own culture. And not only this one, we can see artisans who are there drawing, or who are the other artist workers who are there. So we can see their attitude or their culture. We can see in a single village festivals, in that surrounding area, in that small society, we can see these like of cultural diversity. And not only this one, we can see here some of the local peoples, they conducting some of the dramas, local versions of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So this one showing their local culture. So these like, now we understood that means the culture is diversity. And this is very significant. This one is neat. This one is important because of here they given one of the best example. If as means village festival, this one is best example. We can see there are different types of culture in a single village, but together they are celebrating their festivals. And not only this one, we can see some of the group we can see in that festivals in some there are different types of language, different types of dresses, customs or cultural groups also we can see in that particular festival, village festivals. Already I told some of the drama artists, we can see circus man. They're not speaking same language. Who are they speaking that particular language? So that like of language they're not speaking. They're speaking any other different language, but they're showing their culture. And we can see customs and culture. And not only this one, we can see physical appearance also. When you're seeing that particular face, we can see when you're comparing to our village peoples, they are looking like a very different. So that like also peoples also we can see. But so when they're celebrating that one fairs or that one festival, village festivals, together they're celebrating. Who are they selling their product in that particular village level? They also. And who are the circus man? And who are they came to drama artist in that particular village, and who are they celebrating that one village festivals together? Together all are equally they are celebrating. But we can see there are different culture, diversity of cultures we can find out, but involving each others in that celebration time. So that like now we can see, and not only this only showing that one, this only showing the achieving of unity in diversity. This one showing unity in diversity. That means we all are different cultures peoples, but in unity, we together we are celebrating our tradition or our village festivals. So that like they are showing their own traditions. So this one, so in that based we can see culture are different, are diverse, but this is very neat. We are learning so much of knowledge because of in importance and we are discussed. We are getting knowledge. This is a treasure of knowledge. Culture, this is a treasure of knowledge we are getting. So these like of people, they are doing this like of work. If any other artist person came, so he doing this like of groups, people, they are doing this like of drama artist, a circus man. So these like we are seeing or we are learning so much of knowledge in culture, and we are getting motivated also in our social life. Because of we are learning so much of things, so on that base we are getting some of the aim of the society. Our objectives, we are deciding our objectives, and some of them they are motivating also. They are doing some of the achievements based on the different culture. So on that based, this culture is very important because of if you want human beings, they want to develop in our society, they want to see or they want to learn the different or diversity of Indian culture. Without the learning of the culture, we cannot do developed in our society, and we cannot get any knowledge because of if we want to learn the language, we need culture. If we want to adapt our attitude, our behaviors, we need culture. Without culture, we cannot get any development in human society. So that like they are saying. And another best example. First one we discussed about village festivals, showing that in together without any creed, any religious or any caste, together people they celebrating village festivals. And second one we can say same examples, that is Republic Day. Republic Day we can see that is national cultural diversity, means we can see this is one of the national festivals. So here also we can see no caste, there is no creed, there is no any gender, or there is no any color, or there is no any skin based of discrimination. Together overall nation peoples they are celebrating Republic Day. But we can see in that Republic Day in different types of cultures we can find out in a single celebration, that is Republic Day. Because of in that Republic Day time we can see in our national capital in that parade time each state they are showing their own culture. That only they say tableau. Tableau means they are showing their own statues, they telecasting in that particular parade in Delhi in the period of Republic Day. So here each state also they are showing their own culture. People who are they involved in that particular celebration or that one ceremony, they all are they getting the knowledge. So Rajasthan means so this like of statue they given or they are adopted by this like of culture, or North Karnataka, so they are this like. or any other Maharashtra, their own cultures like of statues. They are showing in their parade time. So every Republic Day also we can see these like of different types of cultures. Each state also they are showing their own culture, but finally we are showing we all are unity in diversity. We all are a one nation peoples. We are not a different nations. We are one nation, that is Indians. We all are Indians. So this like culture, this one is very diversity. We cannot find out same culture in whole country. Best example, Republic Day. Not only Republic Day. Last one we have discussed, that is village festivals, also one of the important examples. This one is showing India have cultural diversity. Because of, we can know in our village in who are there, they're not doing their different types of work. They all are same work. But in festivals time, we can see there are some of the people, they're coming, they build their temporary market. They're not that particular same village. They came in other state, other out of state or other region peoples, and the dress sense or the language skills are different, or the lifestyle consumptions of the food. We can see there are different types of cultures. But we all are one. We are showing we all are Indians. And another one, when you're discussing about cultural rituals or cultural diversity, another important point, how we can see cultural diversity, we can see based on language. Language is one of the important point, so that one building our attitude or our behavior. Because of when the children's when they're growing up, so in that environment they're discussing or they're learning their multi languages when they're growing on the time. So when they're learning multi languages, so they adapt, not only they're getting the knowledge about the language, so they're getting the language of the particular language what they learned, so on that culture also they're adapting their lifestyle. For example, we can see in Karnataka, if you take as an example of Karnataka, we can see people they are studying Kannada, so they adapted Kannada language culture, as well as they are learning English, so they learned Western culture also. They adapted culture of Western based on the language, because of their knowing about English language and they observing about the Western culture, so they adapted because of they got the knowledge. And not only this one, so they are learning Hindi. So they're seeing North Indians and they understand the language. So on that base, they're changing their culture. So these like here they're saying language also one of the important part. So this one is important part because of we are learning or we are adapting their different types of culture. So that's why in that like they're saying. And not only this one, here they're saying this like of language, here they're saying there is no caste, there is no religion. Without caste or without religion, people they can learn language and they can adapt which one is suitable culture, so that one they can implement. And not only this one, next one here they saying, and not only children when they're growing up in multicultural social, and we can see at the present we can see there are different types of culture. In beginning, in ancient times, people they not have that much of knowledge. We can see only one culture in our India, that is Indian culture. But now we can see the mixed culture. Indian people they adopted as a Western culture as well, as when they're living in their daily life, they're using Indian culture as well as Western culture also. So how they adapted this type of culture? Because of they learned multi-language. So on that base they got based on knowledge about the knowledge of language and the knowledge of culture also. So both also they learned, so on that base they adapted their own culture. They prepared their own culture. So in that base we can see in present what we are living, this also multiculturalism we can see. We are not implementing or we are not following any one culture. No. We are getting in different language and we are getting the knowledge or education. So on that based our culture or our lifestyle also, we can see there are different culture based of lifestyle we can see in our India. So on that based we can see culture, this is one of the important, and this one is diversity. And not only this one culture, this one learning to peoples how we want to live peacefully and the development of human beings, how we can develop as a human beings. So this lack of knowledge also we are getting in a culture. So that's why culture This is one of the significant. So when this one is significant, when we are learning a different types of culture. So this one is one of the important or significant points. So that like they say. So that's why Indian culture is diversity. Rituals are diversity. Because of now we understood about festivals, village festivals, and the Republic Day ceremony. And another one is language. In language and also we are adapted. There are different types of culture. We are getting the knowledge. So these are the important points about culture, meaning of culture, and future and importance of the culture. So next class we can discuss about next another important